My name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. First off, I'm going to look at UK FTSE futures. I spoke yesterday about how the previous session was a day of barely's, almost, just abouts, with a just about key reversal up, barely, and almost a bullish engulfing pattern as well, though not quite missing by just half a point. Well, confusion still seems to reign, as yesterday was superficially an immediate countering key reversal down, as if that wasn't indecisive enough on a bigger scale already. Well, yesterday also managed to be a long-legged indecisive spinning top at the same time as the key reversal down. This indecision on an intraday basis is a much bigger scale, level if you like. The base of the action was not the broken downtrend currently at 65.82. That makes up the upper trend line of the recent sideways triangle. It was instead the lower recent uptrend currently at 65.64 that makes up the lower trend line of the same triangle. As for the close, well, the market closed barely over the influential short-medium moving average, currently at 66.16. Now, I have been contemplating the recent action here quite a bit, and I have an idea I'd like to run past you or share with you. What I had initially thought of as being a sideways triangle may be morphing into another pattern, or one of two patterns. I suspect the late January to date action may be something becoming either a rising wedge pattern or a possible narrowing bull channel. I'm not too keen on the latter, but the former has some merit. I will keep you apprised on my thoughts on this. Additionally, I have drawn a very shallow December 2020 to January 2021 bullish shift pitchfork. This is because the middle time, currently at 66.84, strongly merits it. So far today, a reactionary higher open. The market trying to move up and fill the gap over last weekend between 66.61 to 66.94. And not doing too bad a job of trying, at least. German DAX Futures. A strange development yesterday, symptomatic of the indecision seen here all this week. A fifth in a row indecisive pattern. This time a spinning top to go with the other spinning top we've had, and three other indecisive doji crosses. What is more, it is on the face of it also a key reversal down, though I wouldn't vouch for it. This continues to raise cautionary warning lights in my mind. It was also a second consecutive close below the important combination of the oft-mentioned broken upper bull channel line, currently at 14.673 of the May to June 2020 to date bull channel, plus also the first projected 50% Fibonacci line overhead at 14.634. Not something I am sure the bulls out there would like seeing. The low looked like it might have been based on the short moving average, currently at 14.496. However, I am minded to think the low of last week in the 14,400 area was more responsible. As I've repeatedly mentioned here, just still keep an eye on it all being a possible false break higher. Well, so far today, a possible resolution to this week's indecision, a higher opening over the projected 50% Fibonacci line as well as the broken upper bull channel line, and now a possible challenge to the all-time high at 14.805. US E-mini S&P futures. A countering bullish harami yesterday. Enough of one to stay my arm in retiring the broken but possibly still important late December 2020 to very early February 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork. The market dropped down through the key late January high at 38.62.5, halting at the congestion between 38.34 to 38.55 that was based around that late January high, and then turning all the way back up through the high, then through the short medium moving average, currently 38.90, the broken lower time, currently 39.03 of the bullish Andrews pitchfork, as well as the middle time, currently 39.02 of the more recent bullish shift pitchfork, closing a tiny bit under both. It's actually quite a recovery. So far today, a higher open, up over both tines, and then a small move higher. It's looking oddly comfortable up there. We are currently within a small congestion area from mid-February between 39.03 to 39.13. Overhead we have some congestion in the 39.28 area, and then nothing until the lesser projected Fibonacci level at 39.64. French CAC 40 futures. Second bullish white soldier yesterday, one with quite a long tongue and tail, and one that is suitable follow on to the previous session's bullish engulfing pattern. The market spent the main body action within the old gap from February 2020 between 59.20 to 60.09 to close right on the short moving average, currently 59.62. Additionally, and I think this is an important piece, the market utilised the lower time, currently 59.09, of the December 2020 to January 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork as a base to try higher. As I've repeatedly said these past few days, all is moot until prices move out of those tines. This just shows it to be true. So far today, gapping higher open, just under the top of the old gap, but then a pullback down to the rising short moving average where we seemingly have settled just above for now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.